Hi, this is Allison Gapter with Lightning Estimates, and today I'm going to show you how to create a QR code from an existing estimate. So the first thing I want to do is I want to go into my estimates or log into the Lightning Estimates software. I want to go into my saved estimates, and for today I'm just gonna pick one, doesn't matter. I'm going to export that estimate to a PDF. And you'll notice that once I click the download, it generates a unique URL for that PDF. So I'm going to want to copy that, and then I'm going to go into my QR code generator. I happen to like Bitly. That's bitly.com. And the reason I like it is because it's free. There is a limitation on the number of QR codes you can generate every month, but it's very inexpensive if you need to do more, and your QR codes never expire. So once in that application, I'm going to go over here to the left-hand side, and I'm going to say I want to go to QR codes. I am going to create a new QR code, and I'm going to paste in the link to my PDF, and I'll just save this as estimate QR code for today. Once I've done that, I am going to pick the type of QR code I want. You'll see some of these are locked. They get unlocked if you purchase or upgrade your account. And I'm going to create that code and then download it. Once that's downloaded, I can then go into a Word document or a PowerPoint document and insert that QR code. It went into my downloads folder, so let me go find that. I've got my QR code in there now. I'm gonna center that. And then I can add, you know, my personal information, my NMLS number, what have you. I can have information about the realtor that I'm, creating this QR code for. If it's for an open house or a broker's open, I can put whatever information I want to do on this document. And then I create this placard as a leave behind. This could be something like, what is it going to cost you to get into this house? Click the QR code and you can see an estimate on that house. So it's really that simple and that easy to create one. And we have lots of loan officers using this to help them build their pipeline with real estate agents. So that's it. Get out there and start creating codes.